What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best rated torque wrench on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is TEKTON Micrometer Torque Wrench. Calibrated to an accuracy of 4%, the TEKTON half-in drive click torque wrench lets you work with confidence, eliminating guessing and the common tendency to over-tighten fasteners. Correctly tightening fasteners to a vehicle or equipment manufacturer's torque specifications ensures parts are properly secured without being damaged. Simple and easy to use, this wrench has a reversible ratcheting head that drives fasteners in both directions and measures torque in the clockwise direction. To measure torque, set the desired value on the handle scale foot-pounds or Newton meters and begin tightening the fastener. When the preset torque value is reached, a reliable mechanical operation inside the handle produces a click you can hear and feel, alerting you to stop applying force. Built for consistent performance and years of dependable service, the mechanical design doesn't need batteries, and the all-steel construction has no plastic parts to break or wear out. In our list, the number 4 product name is EPAuto 1-2-inch drive click torque wrench. Durable ratchet head. Made from hardened treated chrome vanadium steel alloy Carfi corrosion retardant satin finish. Made in Taiwan. Easy storage. A sturdy plastic storage case is included. Non-slip grip, knurled handle. Easy to read. High contrast dual range scale. Accurate. Pre-calibrated to 4%. Accessories included: a half-drive 5 long extension bar and a half-drive to 3/8 drive reducer. Simple and reliable, click sound tells the preset torque value is reached. Stop applying force when you hear and feel it. EPAuto was founded in 2015 by a group of professional mechanics with a vision to build long-lasting, high-quality products. Our products are designed to exceed industry standards, yet still affordable for everyone. EPAuto makes it easy for you to have the right tools for the job. Our 4 modules of torque wrenches are manufactured and tested in Taiwan factory with professional engineers to meet the highest industry standards. They are good for cars, trucks, motorcycles and bicycle maintenance. Our half torque wrench 10 to 154 tel can be professionally operated on wheel replacement. Our half torque wrench with larger torque value extending to 254 tel can be applied on truck, lawn and garden equipment. Our 3/8 torque wrench tops 84 tel. It is designed in motorcycle and can also be used in several fields. Our 1/4 torque wrench can be applied to most lightweight components under 200 IN.-LB. In our list, the number 3 product name is GEARWRENCH, a half-drive electronic torque wrench. The GEARWRENCH family of torque wrenches and torque products offer the latest innovations in torque measurement. Included in the line are Micrometer, tire shop, beam and electronic torque wrenches, as well as torque multipliers. The Micrometer wrenches are available in fixed head and flex head. The fixed head line offers wrenches in 1/4 to 3/4 drives. The flex head wrenches are available in 3/8 and a half drives. The tire shop wrenches feature a rugged tire tread rubber cover on the head intended to specifically be used for checking wheel lug nuts and are available in 3/8 and a half drives. The electronic torque wrenches ensure a more precise torque level, and are available in a 3/8 and a half drives. The GEARWRENCH line of torque products allow the user to complete any job where accurate torque is required. 72-tooth ratchet mechanism with a 5-deck swing arc allows you to turn fasteners in tight spaces. Torque accuracy of 2% CW and 3% cent between 20% and 100% of wrench capability. Target torque alert gives a warning as you approach the target torque. Vibrating handle, buzzer and solid LED light indicate when target is reached. 5 torque measurement units provide a readout in M, FTL in B, CAF M and CAFS MT. Handle and housing are oil and solvent resistant. Protecting the tool from harmful agents and keeping your hands in place requires 2 batteries not included. Meets or exceeds ASM B1 07.28 M standards and specifications. 1-year limited warranty. Calibration accuracy warranted for 90 days. In our list, the number 2 product name is EPAuto Precision Torque Wrench. Precision and accuracy at your fingertips with our electronic scale torque wrench designed for professionals and DIYs alike. Get the job done right every time with the digital torque wrench, a half drive that delivers reliable results. Our electronic scale click-style torque wrench is the ultimate tool for achieving precise torque values for your projects. With a range of 25 to 250 FedDels, this half-inch torque wrench provides the flexibility and accuracy you need for any job. The digital torque wrench is the perfect addition to your toolbox. The torque wrench digital scale ensures you're applying the right amount of force for your application, while the half-wrench drive allows for easy and efficient use. Say goodbye to the guesswork with our digital torque wrench, a half drive. With a torque range of 25 to 250 FedDels, this torque wrench, a half drive, provides the accuracy and precision you need for automotive, industrial, and other applications. Our Torquemeter is perfect for automotive and other applications. The electric torque wrench delivers precise torque values, and with the added flexibility of the 1-2 inch drive, you'll be able to handle a variety of projects with ease. In our list, the number 1 product name is EPAuto Digital Torque Wrench. The EPAuto brand has been around well over 100 years and its name has become synonymous with quality reliability. EPAuto power tools are built for people who make a living with their tools day in and day out and require exceptional sturdiness and reliability. EPAuto offers the most complete line of digital torque wrench and adapter for professionals who requires high precision measurement on torque ft-ils./n name and angle gree for their job. Please use selection guides to choose a digital torque wrench with the right torque range for your application. Advanced technology, 2 to 37 foot-pounds, torque range with LED flashing buzzer alarm when torque is reached. Easy to read LCD display with measurements G70 NM in L. Ableb. 1. Multiple setting functions torque, measurement and peak trace mode settings. Torque setting range 10% of max torque value. Measuring range 2 to 37 FTLs. Quality assurance meets or exceeds ASM B1 07.14-2004, ISO 6789 standards. Individually serialized with matching certificate of calibration traceable to NIST. EPAuto tool starts to create high-quality tools for professionals from all industries who demands the highest quality and precision. When it comes to precise professional fastening, EPAuto offers the most complete line of digital torque wrench products. All our digital torque wrenches are made with sturdy materials and calibrated in production process to ensure best quality products will be on your hand.